In today's industrial world, data is everything. Systems rely on fast, accurate communication between controllers, sensors, and monitoring equipment. But there's a major challenge that a lot of engineers face. Not every device speaks the same Modbus language. Older devices often use Modbus RTU, a serial-based protocol that's reliable but limited in speed and distance. Meanwhile, newer control systems, HMIs, and SCADA software rely on Modbus TCP, which runs over Ethernet. If these two networks can't communicate, your operation can't run efficiently. But with the tGW Series Modbus gateway, bridging the gap between Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP becomes simple. The tGW series acts as a translator between serial and Ethernet devices. It converts Modbus RTU data from legacy equipment into Modbus TCP packets that can be read by modern Ethernet-based systems. This allows you to integrate older field devices into your existing infrastructure without having to rewire, reprogram, or replace any hardware. It's plug and play for your Modbus networks. So why would this matter for your operation? Because when your devices can't communicate efficiently, your entire system slows down. And that directly impacts performance, data visibility, and uptime. Converting Modbus RTU to TCP gives you faster communication speeds, improving system responsiveness and real-time monitoring. You get longer transmission distances where Ethernet extends beyond the limits of RS-485 cabling. It gives you easier integration where you can quickly connect older Modbus devices to modern PLCs, HMIs, and SCADA software. And you also get remote accessibility, where you can view, log, and control data from anywhere on your Ethernet or cloud network. All of this results in better performance, better visibility, and better control, all without having to replace your existing equipment. So now that we understand why converting Modbus RTU to TCP is so valuable, let's take a look at how it actually applies in real-world systems where reliable communication makes all the difference. Let's think about a data center where environmental sensors track temperature and humidity. Many of these sensors still communicate using Modbus RTU, while newer monitoring systems like SCADA software or WISE edge controllers rely on Modbus TCP over Ethernet. With the tGW series gateway, those RTU sensors can now communicate directly with your TCP-based control system, allowing all your data to flow seamlessly into one centralized platform for real-time logging, trending, and alarms. Or you could look at an energy management system, where you might have legacy power meters communicating over Modbus RTU, while your newer dashboard, data logger, or PLC operates on Modbus TCP. With the tGW series gateway, your Modbus TCP system can communicate seamlessly with your Modbus RTU legacy equipment over the same network. It bridges the TCP Ethernet world with the serial RTU world, giving you the best of both without rewiring or replacing hardware. So you can see that in every case, the tGW gateway doesn't just make communication possible, it makes your operation smarter, faster, and more scalable. Of course, not every Modbus converter can handle those kind of demands, but that's where the tGW series really stands out. It's built for industrial performance, designed to stay reliable when communication matters most. Let's take a look at what really makes it different. For one, it offers web-based configuration, meaning setup is fast and intuitive. No drivers or special software required. For two, you get multi-client support, which means you can connect multiple Modbus TCP clients simultaneously to one RTU network. For three, it offers built-in watchdog protection, ensuring automatic reconnection after power or network interruptions. Its compact industrial design also means that it's DIN rail mountable and hardened for 24/7 operation. And lastly, the different flexible models allow for easy integration into basically any system. We have availability in RS-232, RS-485, or dual port configurations to suit any application. These gateways are tested for continuous uptime with low latency and consistent data throughput, critical for monitoring and control systems that can't afford downtime. It's the kind of hardware you install once and trust for years. So if your goal is to modernize your network, improve data visibility, and maximize system uptime, a Modbus RTU to TCP converter just isn't optional. It's essential. And if you want one that's built to last, engineered for performance, and supported by real automation experts, the tGW Series Modbus Gateway is your solution. If you want to learn more about the tGW series and how it can enhance your Modbus network, you can visit icp-usa.com or contact us at sales@icp-usa.com. I would also recommend checking out our video on Wise controllers, which can take data from your tGW gateway to automate processes, trigger alarms, and control equipment across your Modbus network to create a fully automated system. All product links, the website link, and our email will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.